Hello kids, in the last class we learned our human body parts that we can see like eyes, nose, hand, leg like that. Now some body parts inside our body we cannot see. Today in this class I am going to tell you some organs inside our body that we cannot see and their functions. Okay kids? Yes. To sit straight on your place, close your notebook. Hold your hands. When I say this word, you are doing action with your hands. How you did? Do you know? Inside our body, we have one organ. Give instruction to the hand to do this activity. You want to know that? Yes. This is that organ called brain. It gives instruction to the hand to do that activity. Close the notebook, fold your hands like this. In the same way, when you are walking, jogging, running, the brain gives instruction to the leg to do that activities. In the same way, brain gives instruction to the all parts of the body from head to toes. Okay? Then this is called brain. So brain is very important part inside our body. So we can say brain is the boss of our body. Okay? Then, so we need to protect that brain very careful, right? Yes. So we need to put one cover that is called skull. See, brain is inside. We made one cover to protect that whole brain. This is called skull. Where is that brain and the skull? The both brain is inside our head. Okay. Now stand on your place and jump till 10. I am going to count 1 to 10. You have to jump fast. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Now you can take your hand, go near to the chest, left side of the chest. Okay. Now you can feel some sound. Yes. Tap, 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 some beating sound. That is that organ called heart is beating inside your body. Okay, that is heartbeat sound. You want to see that organ? Yes. See? This is that heart. You can feel the heartbeat sound. Tap, tap, tap inside your chest. The heart sends the blood to all parts of the body. Heart pumps the blood and sends all parts of the body. Okay? When we jump fast now, we can breathe like this. Yes? Okay, when we breathe inside, what will happen? The air goes inside through the nose and going through near the chest, and we have one more organ called lungs. The air goes inside the lungs. Okay? The lungs take that oxygen from the air and send back through carbon dioxide via nose. So lungs help us to breathe. Okay, I will show you how the lungs will breathe. See, is that nose? Okay, we are breathing inside. This is the two lungs. Okay, see like this. So when I blow, see, when I breathe inside, the air goes inside to lungs. Now I will push this one. See, the air comes out through the nose. So when we go, air goes inside, the lungs take oxygen. When it comes out, the carbon dioxide comes through out of the nose. Next, every day we are eating food, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay. Now what the food we are eating through the mouth, it goes slowly go. That one organ inside of the body part, that is called stomach. Okay, what the food we are eating, it goes to the stomach. See, this is stomach. Okay, so stomach, what the stomach will do, whatever food we are eating, the stomach will break the food small parts and help us to digest inside the stomach. Okay, I will show you how it goes. See, this is the stomach. I am going to put, see today we are eating biscuit, so biscuit. Okay. Now I am going to close this stomach like this. Yes. Now that's what the stomach will do. Stomach will mix the fruit. Whatever food we are eating, the stomach will mix the food and break the food like this. See, small pieces. See, the stomach helps us to digest our food, what we eat. See, stomach. Okay. So these are all our internal organs inside our human body. So today we learn brain, heart, lungs and stomach. Okay kids? Thank you.